This is Mayor Andre Dickens, and I'd like to congratulate Women in Technology on their 23rd Annual Women of the Year Awards Gala. For 30 years now, your organization has served Georgia's female technology leaders. I am thrilled to be a part of this event and help celebrate WIT and all the women that are being recognized this evening. As you celebrate the women that are finalists for the Woman of the Year, you are also celebrating my administration's commitment to creating a citywide culture that values, supports, and sustains the contributions of all women and girls. WIT's mission of educating women of all ages in the field of technology continues to impact more and more women in Georgia and elsewhere. Your Career Connections program is powerful and enables more women to be trained and hired in the fields of cybersecurity and data analytics. Career Connections helps the city and other businesses fill our pipeline with female talent trained by Emory and WIT. Your Single Mothers program continues to help support my personal mission of helping to upskill women. These women are then able to obtain a financially sustaining career in technology. The work that has been done already to get dozens of women from this program into jobs is changing the trajectory of families. The City of Atlanta is proud of the work done by the Women in Technology. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and I hope I can join you next year.